Today, I'll take you step by step through the process of creating a cinematic AI video from absolutely nothing. No camera, no crew, just Hailuo AI turning imagination into reality. Step 1. Search hailuo.video on any browser and log in to your account. First, we'll start by generating our own AI image, a unique picture created entirely from a simple text prompt, where we can bring any idea or imagination to life. And here's the image that Hailuo AI generated from my text prompt. You can see how quickly it transformed a simple idea into a detailed picture. Now, let's bring this image to life. The picture we just generated from our prompt can be uploaded directly into Hailuo AI's image-to-video tool. Here, you can simply enter a new prompt, any style, action, or detail you want, and within moments, your final video will be ready exactly the way you imagined it. Here is the final video, generated directly from the image we uploaded. Hailuo AI has turned a single picture into a complete cinematic scene.
We can also create complete videos using text-to-video tool in Hailuo. Simply type in your idea, whether it's a scene, an action, or even a cinematic concept, and Hailuo AI will instantly turn your words into a fully generated video.
And here is the video, generated entirely from our text prompt, using the text-to-video tool, brought to life in just moments with the power of Hailuo AI. Now, we can also use the subject reference feature, where you can take any character, image, or style you like and transform it into a full cinematic scene just the way you want, using a simple text prompt with Hailuo AI. And here's the video, created with the subject reference feature, where our chosen character has been transformed into a cinematic scene using just a simple prompt in Hailuo AI.
This is how you can create stunning cinematic AI videos with Hailuo AI, from generating images to animating them to full text-to-video scenes, and even using subject reference to transform any character or style into reality. Try it out yourself and unlock endless creative possibilities. Don't forget to check the link in the description, and you can also search directly on any browser, www.hailuoai.video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more amazing content and trailers.